Welcome to Kanchipuram, one of India's 7 sacred Moksha-puris, where the air hums with whispers from the past and every temple tower and stone carving tells centuries of history. This enchanting city, cradled in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, beckons travelers with its spiritual aura and the legacy of its rich cultural heritage. Founded over 1,500 years ago under the esteemed Pallav dynasty, Kanchipuram quickly flourished as a cultural and political capital, bearing witness to the artistry and devotion that shaped the history of South India. The city thrived not just during the Pallav reign but also under the glorious empires of the Cholas and the Vijayanagar kings, each contributing their unique imprints to its vibrant tapestry. As we meander through the labyrinthine lanes of Kanchipuram, our eyes are drawn to the majestic Kailasanathar Temple standing proudly against the sapphire sky. With its intricate carvings that are a hallmark of early Dravidian architecture, this temple narrates tales of devotion, sculpted in stone. Each figure etched into the granite speaks volumes of the devotion that radiated from both artisans and worshippers alike. It is a canvas showcasing the blend of art and spirituality that define Kanchipuram's architectural marvels. Next, we visit the towering Gopurams of Varadaraj Perumal and the Kamakshi Amman temples, which epitomize the city's seamless blend of Vaishnav and Shaiva traditions. Here, the elaborate shrines and detailed facades invite devotees to immerse themselves in a sea of color and reverence. The spiritual ambience is palpable, as locals gather to partake in rituals that have been passed down through generations, reverberating with the chants of the ancient Vedas. However, Kanchipuram is not merely a city of temples, it has deservedly earned its nickname Silk City. Generations of master weavers have transformed fine threads of silk and pure jari into resplendent sarees. In the narrow alleys leading to the weaving houses, we immerse ourselves in the artistry that defines Kanchipuram. Here, artisans deftly manipulate the looms, their hands dancing gracefully as they blend threads of silk and shimmering gold, each saree telling a tale of faith and craftsmanship. These exquisite creations adorn bridal wardrobes not just in the south, but across the world. As we step into a traditional loom house, the rhythmic sound of the shuttle fills our ears. We watch as skilled artisans weave magic with their hands, producing masterpieces that reflect the essence of tradition. Each piece is adorned with motifs that depict the divine, symbolizing various aspects of the culture and the indomitable spirit of the people. My heart swells with admiration as I witness the meticulous process. It is a testament to their unwavering dedication and passion. Our journey continues to the Kachi Kamkoti Peetham Monastery, a revered institution that preserves Vedantic wisdom. Here, every dawn is welcomed with chants that resonate through the tranquil surroundings, and ritual ablutions are conducted with utmost devotion, shaping the spiritual rhythm of daily life. Visiting the monastery offers a glimpse into a world steeped in spiritual philosophy, where ancient teachings continue to inspire new generations. The true spirit of Kanchipuram shines during its annual festivals, like the Brahmotsavam and Navratri. The streets come alive, adorned with vibrant floral processions, melodious music, and captivating dances that draw pilgrims from distant lands. The joy and enthusiasm among the devotees are infectious, transforming the entire town into a jubilant celebration of faith. For modern travelers, reaching Kanchipuram is an adventure of its own. Accessible by road and rail, the city welcomes visitors to embrace its heritage through charming lodges that reflect the architectural grandeur of the past. Saving local delicacies is a must, with the famed Kanchipuram idli, a soft and fluffy treat enriched with lentils, offering a delightful taste of authentic southern cuisine. In Kanchipuram, stone speaks of ancient devotion, and silk shines with living tradition, inviting you to touch the very fabric of India's timeless heritage. As the sun sets behind the horizon, casting golden hues across the temples, I feel a deep connection to this extraordinary city. It feels as though the spirits of the ancient artisans, worshippers, and seekers of knowledge linger in the air, reminding us of the beauty and resilience of tradition. As I prepare to leave Kanchipuram, I carry with me more than just memories. I carry the essence of a city that thrives on the remnants of its glorious past while embracing the future with open arms. The laughter of artisans, the lullabies of the evening bells, and the vibrant, colorful sarees all meld together into an unforgettable symphony, echoing the story of Kanchipuram, a happy symphony of culture, faith, and history.